Is a Kamala Harris presidency best for crypto prices? VanEck prediction. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Trump, both a Harris and a Trump administration could be bullish for Bitcoin. Last updated September 21st, 2024 at 19 GMT3. Author Ruholamin Haqshanas. About author Ruholamin Haqshanas is a contributing crypto writer for Cryptonews. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruholamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto author profile share, copied last updated September 21st, 2024 at 19 GMT3 wide Trust Cryptonews. With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto community is closely watching how the upcoming election impact the industry. While former President Donald Trump has labeled himself the crypto president, actively advocating for the sector, Vice President Kamala Harris, the Democratic nominee, has maintained a more restrained stance since joining the race. According to Matthew Siegel, VanEck's head of digital assets research, and Nathan Frankovitz, a digital asset investment analyst at the firm, both a Harris and a Trump administration, could be bullish for Bitcoin. But the broader digital asset market might experience divergent outcomes under their leadership. Harris presidency might be better for prices. VanEck outlined a scenario in which a Harris presidency could see the retention of SEC Chair Gary Gensler, known for his stringent stance on cryptocurrency regulation. This, coupled with Harris aligning her financial policies with the more regulatory-focused wing of the Democratic Party, represented by Senator Elizabeth Warren, could create a challenging environment for institutional adoption of digital assets. Such a regulatory climate could stifle innovation and growth within the sector, posing challenges to broader crypto market development. However, there is a silver lining for Bitcoin enthusiasts. VanEck suggested that a Harris presidency might paradoxically be more beneficial for Bitcoin than a Trump administration. The firm argued that the structural issues potentially exacerbated under Harris, such as increased fiscal spending and regulatory tightening, could drive more investors to Bitcoin as a hedge against economic uncertainty and inflation. This could enhance Bitcoin's appeal and competitiveness over other digital assets. On the other hand, VanEck's analysis suggested that the crypto industry as a whole could benefit more from a second Trump term. A Trump presidency would likely bring more deregulation and business-friendly policies, which could particularly favor crypto entrepreneurs. Under such an administration, the firm believes the crypto ecosystem would experience less regulatory scrutiny, providing a more conducive environment for growth and innovation. Bernstein expects Bitcoin to surge if Trump wins. Not everyone shares this view, though. A report from Bernstein projects a rise in Bitcoin's price, potentially reaching between $80,000 and $90,000 if Trump wins the election. Conversely, they predict a downturn, with Bitcoin possibly testing the $30,000 to $40,000 range should Harris emerge victorious. Despite differing opinions on the candidates, the broader macroeconomic trend appears to favor Bitcoin regardless of who wins. VanEck notes that the U.S. will likely continue on a path of growing fiscal deficits and rising national debt, leading to a weaker dollar. Historically, such conditions have been favorable for Bitcoin, which many investors view as a store of value and hedge against economic instability. Meanwhile, investment bank Standard Chartered analyst Jeff Kendrick has said Bitcoin is expected to end the year at new all-time highs, regardless of who wins the U.S. election. Kendrick suggested that Bitcoin could reach new all-time highs by the end of 2024 due to positive drivers dominating regardless of the election outcome. I think Bitcoin ends the year higher at new all-time highs, no matter who wins the U.S. election, with a Trump win taking it to $125,000 and $75,000 if it's Harris. Follow us on Google News.